Energy Trac is Traction's electrical monitoring solution, turning electrical data into actionable asset health insights. Electrical issues often trigger hidden electrical faults inside the panel. This stresses components like VFDs, slowly wearing down your assets until they suffer a major failure. By capturing voltage and current, Energy Trac analyzes each asset's electrical signature and power quality, turning those signals into electrical asset health insights. That makes it built for electrically critical assets across the plant, including electric motors, CNC and discrete manufacturing assets, VFD-driven equipment, and much more. It starts by continuously capturing line voltages and phase currents, creating a trusted baseline of electrical behavior. Through electrical signature analysis, Traction AI detects the early signs of rotor, stator, winding, insulation, and voltage imbalance issues. For VFD-driven assets specifically, that extends to monitoring electrical stress, load behavior, and conditions that can shorten asset life. Power quality insights add another layer, making it easier to spot harmonics, dips, transients, voltage imbalance, swells, and other disturbances before they become operational risks. Together, this evidence turns into prioritized asset health insights, helping teams know what to inspect, where to act, and why it matters. Energy Trac, the electrical layer of smarter asset health.